Karibu East Africa Chef. Looking for a crunchy, satisfying snack that keeps you in ketosis? Try these delicious keto chicken nuggets. First, we'll make our keto-friendly breading by taking 1 bag of pork rinds. Place them in a zip-top bag, seal it up, and crush them finely. Next, prepare your egg wash. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl and whisk them well. Now, let's set up the breading station with your sliced chicken thighs, almond flour, and the crushed pork rinds. Take each chicken piece and coat it first in the almond flour, then dip it into the egg wash, and finally, press it firmly into the crushed pork rinds to ensure a thick, crispy layer. Heat half a cup of coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place your breaded nuggets into the hot oil. Fry for about 10 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. While they're frying, whip up a simple dipping sauce. Combine a 1/4 cup of mayo with 1 teaspoon each of mustard, pickle juice, chopped red onion, pickles, and paprika. Mix until smooth and creamy. Serve your crispy keto chicken nuggets hot with your homemade sauce and enjoy!